If your curiosity is burning like magma, you're in for a blast. Let's uncover the secrets of volcanic eruptions. Deep beneath the Earth's crust, there's a scorching hot layer called the mantle. Here, rocks melt into molten magma that collects in massive underground chambers. Over time, pressure builds up as more magma fills these chambers. When the pressure gets too intense, it forces its way through cracks in the Earth's surface. This is where the action happens. The magma shoots up carrying gas and ash with it, bursting out as lava during a volcanic eruption. This fiery spectacle shapes our world, creating new landforms and even islands. So next time you see a volcano, remember, there's a whole lot of fiery action going on beneath the surface. Stay curious, science enthusiasts.